Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you guys on how you can create TikTok, international TikTok from anywhere, from any part of the country. A creativity program, creativity program is being restricted to those, I think, European country alone, US, UK, Australia, France. But if you are in African country like Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, or not, some other African country, you cannot create the creativity program of TikTok. But today I'm going to show you how to create the TikTok, international TikTok from any part of the country. So the first thing we'll be making use is system. I would advise you to go with computer, because all those people using phones to create it have side effects, in the sense that they might be shadow banned, you understand, they might block the account. But I'm guaranteeing you, any account created with computer with this same step is forever. It's forever. So far you are not spamming anybody's account. So now first thing you are going to use is to open your Chrome account like this. After you open your Chrome account like this, make sure you have your your this thing login, your Gmail. If you don't have the Gmail, you can create and get your Gmail. So after that, we now have to add our extension to it, Windscribe extension. You understand? So now we can go to Google from extension, but I will want you to go through Google process. All you just have to do is Windscribe Google extension. So this is it. We'll go through Google. As you can see, I'm going through Google now. Then I'm going to add it to the extension. I'm going to add it because we have to change our IP address. We have to change our location. So this is it. Then we can check this Windscribe. Let me click on this. See, download for Chrome. So I'm going to download for Chrome. So I think I need the extension, not the software, not the software. Let's go with the one of the Chrome, the one with the Chrome logo. So let's go with it. So add to extension. Can you see it? This is going to add to extension. So we add it to extension. Add to extension. So I haven't done that. That's the first thing we need to do. It's adding already, as you can see. It's adding. With this, we can create international account, a TikTok account. So now it's going to add. As it's still downloading. So once it's done, can you see it has been added? How do we now see it? Let's just take the extension button, and I want to pin it down. So I've pinned it down like that. As you can see, this is Chrome. This is Windscribe VPN. So now, what do we need to do? You just have to log in. We have to log in. So for instance, if you don't have an account with it, just get started. You just have to add your your email. You create an email, you put in your email, your login details. You add it there. And mind you, please, let's go with good internet network. So whenever you are processing it, make sure you have a good network. Once you have a good network, everything will be going smoothly. So now, as you can see, this is free and this is pro. We have a free, we have a pro, but we are going with free. So it's going to open a tab for us to create an account. I actually have an account, but I will just choose I will create it for you guys. Password. Let me just. As you can see that that's the password. So you create your password. Then if you want to put in email, it's just an optional. It's not compulsory. You just click on create account. Sign up anyway. Can you see it? Okay, the captcha. We are going to put in captcha somewhere. Enter the captcha. Can you see it? BRE3B. So then we create an account. we create an account. So the username has been taken. 1212. We print 1212. Then so you're signing up already. Can you see it? So this is the account now. The account has we have successfully signed up. So now what do? We go back to our this thing. Then we log in with the Prince 1212, then our password. Can you see that? Then we log in. So that's the first thing we need to do. Can you see? I don't need a tutorial. So this is the autopilot. Is going to add you on autopilot before. So before anything, let's check let me disconnect it. Let's check our VPN word.net. So this one is going to show us where we are now. This word.net. So these are present password, IP address. Can you see it? These are IP address, our location level, whatever, you see it. So now once we activate our Windscribe, we on it. So what do? I want us to check this location menu, this web menu. We'll click on it. Please don't go with US, always go with UK, because during US problem is too much. They might want you to ask you, they will ask you to, your tax information, everything like that on your TikTok account. But UK, you don't have any problem. With just your pass what's it called? The paper, you are good to go. So we can choose any one of these. If you see this star, it's a paid one. But with this, let's choose this London. And once it's done, you see it will be green. Can you see it here? So now let's check the VPN again. Can you see it? So that's the first thing. You log into your Chrome account, you add your VPN, which is our Windscribe, you create an account with it. So now what do we now do? Let's now go to Google. You go to Google, you type TikTok sign up. So we go through Google. Please, after this video, if you want this account, you can just create a ask in the comment section that I want this account, and I'll be giving it to one of my my member. Let's put it that way. So what do we now need to do? We'll go with sign up TikTok. We click on it. You click on sign up TikTok. So it's either you use your email, or please don't use phone number, because the phone number will be asked plus blah 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 blah, you understand. But make sure you use your email. That's why I say our email. Make sure you have your email created. You see, it's asked for phone, but switch to email account. So now, this is the email I wanted to use. Then I'll just make sure it's above what's it called, it's above 18 years, an account will be using. Let me go with this. Then your password, choose your password. Can you see it? Then you ask them to send a code to that email. So send code. So I'll be getting the code in my email. And once I check it, I'm gonna put it here. So it has not yet been sent. Send code. It has not yet been sent. So all mails. Let me check all mails. It has not yet been sent. Okay, the puzzle. Now let's fill it. You see this arrow, move it to make this like dog join together. Can you see it? I'm gonna release it. So the slider, I've checked the verification. I'm still expecting the code. Still expecting the code. Let's wait for the code. I will check the spam mail. Okay, now they should send the code now, because it has shown sent. Can you see it? This is the code. So we'll copy the code. Then you put in the code and next. Can you see it now? It's very simple. It's very, very simple. So let's get it done first before I explain it to you in deep. So let it so it's gonna load. Can you see it? So now I should create the email. Mind talker. Let me put it that way. Mind talker 1 2 mind talker great minder great minder 1. Great. Although we can skip it, yes. In this step, let's skip, yes. Then the login has been successful. So we can now change the what's it called, the username on our TikTok app. We can change it. I want it to load. You'll see the dashboard, everything. You see it there. All these, the profile that will be showing, all this video that will be showing. You see it's a foreign one. Can you see it? So all this can be done on a app. All this can be done on a app. Can you see
These are reasons why I hate being gay. So this is like the thing.
Can you see it now? Please, now these are the do's and don'ts. Once you open this account, please don't follow account immediately. Don't post.
If you ever see me dumping water on my head while I'm on live, that means I hate.
Can you see this? Don't do anything for at least 3 or 4 days. Leave it, get it, let it use very well. You see it? They are all falling.
Alright guys, calling all TikTokers under.
So with this now, you've gotten international accounts. So this account is UK based account now, and the next thing you need to do, leave it, let it rest for like 6 days.
Monster, and I'm having a monster.
Let it rest for like 6 days, 5 days. So after that, you can start posting. Just like I said, you can, once you log in on your phone, on your app, you can change all these.
Got your girl.
You can change all these your profile.
You love it over here.
You can change them. You can change your profile username. You can do whatever you want to do. But like I said, please let it wait for like 3 to 4 days. Can you see it? So we can change it, do whatever we want to do here. And after like 3-4 days, you can start posting. And please don't follow too many people. You can post at the same time as you want. Now there are some questions that will be like people will be asking. Please, when I want to post, can I open VPN? No, you don't need to open VPN again. With this aspect, with this technique we are using, you are free to use it on anything now. On your Glow network, you don't need VPN, you don't need anything. Like I said, so with this account now, you can monetize your TikTok account. You can, once your post reach to some certain level, you start earning from your TikTok post. So that is how to create an account with TikTok. That's how to create a creativity program from any part of the country. If our country is not eligible, you can see it. So it's very easy and straightforward. With this now, you can start earning with your TikTok. Even there are some set of people that want to start using this. Okay, let me create this for you and sell it to you. You understand? So that is how it's been done. Now, I'll show you one of my accounts now, the one I created about 2-3, last week. And I've started posting it, although it's not my main account. I just created it just like this for some students so that they can know how to post it as well. So that is how it goes. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this my video to your friend. And if you have any question you want to pose, you want to ask me, my comment section is available. Use the comment section. I'll always be there for you. Thank you, and see you in the next video. As you can see, this is one of my accounts, my international TikTok account that I created some days ago. As you can see, check them out. See it? That's the account. That's the profile account. Can you see it? That's the profile account. I will show you the balance now. See the balance. So it will see the symbol, the currency symbol. As you can see, it's in pounds. Can you see it? So that is how it works. Simple method, you create it, monetize it, and you start earning. Thank you.